Introduction and use of KFI-45 Optical Fiber Identifier. 1. The new design of the Optical Fiber Identifier. New design of membrane keys. The shading effect is enhanced and the influence of light is reduced. The program and chip are upgraded and the performance is more stable. Ergonomic design. Compact and practical, portable to use. Support chucks and button 2 ways to boot. Built-in optical power meter, OPM, function. High accuracy plus or minus 0.2 dB error. Hidden VFL plus LED light. The detection distance of the red light source can reach 5 kilometers. A high brightness LED flashlight is easy to operate in dark environments. The detection wavelength is 800 to 1700 nanometers. Detection signal frequency range 270 Hz, 1 kHz, 2 kHz. There is a beep when identifying the signal frequency. Universal for SM and MM. Universal chucks, easy to operate. 2. Fiber Identifier button function. Press and hold the power button to turn on the machine, and the backlight will light up. Or pull down the rear clamp switch to go directly to the OFI function. Press and hold the power button to turn off the machine. When the power is on, short press the power button. Turn on the flashlight and the screen will display an LED icon. When the device is turned on, press and hold the DB/REF button. Enable OPM. The screen displays the OPM icon. Press the DB/REF button. Unit switching and corresponding measurements are made. Short press the wavelength button. Switch between 7 wavelengths. Boot in any state. Short press the VFL button. Turn on always on VFL mode. The screen displays the icon. Short press the VFL button again. Turn on VFL flashing mode. 3. How to use the fiber identification instrument. Fiber inspection test. Hand-in-hand machine. Press the back clamp switch with your index finger to clamp the fiber. Start testing automatically. The backlight is adjustable. Quickly detect the direction, frequency, and power of fiber optic signals.